wanted to tell you a little bit more about the group website review workshop that I have coming up. Normally when I do a website review, I'm on the phone with one company sharing a screen for 2 hours. And that's great, but it's a little bit out of the budget for some companies who think they need the help, know they need the help, want to get the help, but can't afford it either right now or maybe just, in general, it's just a little bit out of your budget. So the group website review workshop lets us collaborate because we will look at everyone's website. There will be up to 10 companies there. And we won't look as deeply as I would if I spent 2 hours just on your site, of course, but we will be looking at everybody's website, so you'll get ideas not only when we're looking at yours, but also when we're looking at other people. And the idea of this is the collaboration. It makes it a different experience, which is really great. One of the best things about my masterminds is the collaboration, but also it makes it a lot more affordable for you. So if you want to be one of the 10 companies, sign up today. I'd love to see you there.